Imagine sliding behind the wheel of a sedan that doesn't just drive, it anticipates your every move, wraps you in pure opulence, and turns heads without even trying. Friends, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is finally here, and it's not just an update. It's a revolution in executive luxury. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this the benchmark for 2027. From its jaw-dropping design to groundbreaking tech and real-world performance. Stick around, because by the end, you'll be asking yourself why you haven't ordered one yet. Hit that like button if you're excited, and let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. The E-Class has always been Mercedes' sweet spot, sophisticated enough for CEOs, comfortable for daily drives, and tech-loaded without overwhelming. For 2027, Mercedes has refined the formula with subtle but impactful changes, a mid-cycle refresh on the current platform for gas and hybrid models, plus the launch of a dedicated electric variant that ditches the old EQE's polarizing shape for classic sedan proportions. We've got mild hybrid power, plug-in options, and a full EV coming online. Prices start around the mid-$60,000 range, climbing north of $100,000 for loaded M trims. But enough teaser, let's talk exterior first. From the outside, the 2027 E-Class exudes quiet confidence. Mercedes listened to feedback and dialed back some of the previous generation's boldness for a more timeless elegance. Up front, you get a wider, more sculpted grille with the iconic illuminated star, now with adaptive patterns that subtly animate when you approach. The headlights are slimmer, with sharper LED signatures that flow seamlessly into the fenders. Along the sides, the proportions are perfect: long hood, flowing roofline, and subtle flares over the wheels for a planted stance. New 20-inch aero-optimized wheels are standard on higher trims, and the flush door handles give it that ultra-clean, wine-cheating look. At the rear, full-width taillights with 3D old elements create a stunning light show during braking. And for the new electric E-Class, it adopts an even more traditional three-box silhouette, no more blob vibes, making it indistinguishable from its gas siblings at a glance. Overall length is up slightly for better rear space, but coefficient of drag is down to class-leading levels. This isn't flashy, it's refined dominance. Step inside, and the magic really happens. The cabin is a sanctuary of calm luxury. Mercedes has evolved the Superscreen setup into something even more integrated. A seamless curved glass panel spanning the entire dash, with individual displays for driver, passenger, and center infotainment. No more separate pods, it's one flowing digital landscape. Materials are next level: open-pore woods, sustainable leathers, and soft Nappa options that feel handcrafted. The seats, multi-contour with massage, heating, ventilation, and even kinetic bolsters that hug you in corners. Ambient lighting now has 64 colors plus dynamic themes that react to music or driving mode. Rear passengers get treated like royalty. Executive package adds reclining seats, tablet controls, and optional entertainment screens. Burmester for the audio with seat exciting speakers turns the cabin into a concert hall. And the new AI-powered MB.EA, it learns your habits, suggests routes, and even adjusts climate based on your voice mood. Quietest cabin in the segment too, thanks to enhanced acoustic glass. This is where the E-Class pulls ahead. It's not just luxurious, it's intuitive. Under the hood or floor for the EV options are versatile. Base models get a turbo 2.0-liter 4-cylinder mild hybrid with around 255 horsepower, smooth and responsive. Step up to the inline 6 in the E450, 375 horses plus electric boost for effortless surge. Plug-in hybrids deliver 50 miles of electric range, while the E-Class EV promises 400+ miles on the MB.EA platform with 800-volt charging 0 to 80% in under 25 minutes. AMG variants expect over 600 horsepower in dual-motor setups. Ride quality is sublime. Air suspension with predictive scanning reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Steering is precise yet light, and rear axle steering makes it maneuver like a smaller car. Tech highlights: Level 3 capable drive pilot for hands-off highway driving where legal, augmented reality head-up display, and over-the-air updates that keep evolving the car. It's quick, composed, and always puts comfort first, exactly what an executive sedan should be. Efficiency shines here. Mild hybrids sip around 30 to 35 mpg combined. PHEVs push 70 mpg with electric commuting, and the full EV targets under 3.5 miles per kWh. Real world competitive. Pricing starts at about $65,000 for the 350, mid-$80s for 6-cylinder and PHEV, and low $90s for the launch editions, fully loaded. Easily $120,000 plus, worth it. In this segment, yes, residual values are strong, and the tech justifies the premium over rivals. So, is the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class the future of luxury? Absolutely. It blends timeless design with cutting-edge innovation, delivering an experience that's refined, effortless, and genuinely exciting. If you're in the market for a sedan that makes every drive feel special, this is it, no compromises. What do you think, gas, hybrid, or full electric? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash like if this got you hyped, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.